You're looking for a digital bank to simplify your business finances, and you've come across NBKC Business Banking. Well, in this video, I'm going to cover what NBKC offers small businesses, how their business checking account works, and what you absolutely need to know about NBKC Business Banking before you decide whether or not it's right for you. So, diving right into things, what is NBKC Business Banking? Well, NBKC is an online-focused bank offering a no-fee business checking account, savings accounts, and loans. Their offerings include money market accounts, CDs, personal accounts, business accounts, but in today's video, we're going to be specifically focusing on their business checking account. Additionally, while they do have a few branches in Kansas and Missouri, most customers are going to be managing their accounts fully online. Now, what makes NBKC unique is that they're built for small businesses, freelancers, and entrepreneurs who want an affordable and simple way to handle their banking. There are no monthly maintenance fees or minimum balance requirements, and setting up an account is quick, fully online, and you can manage everything through either their app or website. Some of the key features of NBKC include ACH transfers and mobile check deposits. You get up to 6 free domestic wire transfers every month. You get up to $12 per month in ATM fee reimbursements, and they very easily integrate with QuickBooks, Gusto, and Xero. So those are the basics, but let's talk about some of the benefits they offer for small businesses. First off, you're looking at no monthly fees. NBKC's fee-free business checking account means no monthly maintenance or overdraft fees, which can save you hundreds of dollars every single year. Next, you got those free wire transfers. So they offer up to 6 free domestic wire transfers every single month, with additional transfers at $5 each, which is going to be much lower than most other banks out there. NBKC also gives you access to over 34,000 MoneyPass ATMs and reimburses up to $12 of out-of-network ATM fees every month, making managing your payroll, bookkeeping, accounting all much easier. So sounds great so far, but now let's talk about what you absolutely must know about NBKC. Because while they do have some great perks, there are a few important things you want to be keeping in mind. First are their limited physical branches. So NBKC only has a few physical branches, so if you prefer in-person banking, this is going to be a drawback. Next, if you're a business that deals heavily in cash, NBKC might not be the best option for you. That's because they don't allow direct cash deposits. So you'll need to use third-party services like Green Dot, which can add substantial fees if you're dealing in a lot of cash. Also important here to mention customer support, because while customer support is available by phone and email, some users have reported slower response times, and this isn't always a place where NBKC gets glowing reviews, which we'll talk about a little bit later. But their customer service hours are pretty wide, so from Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Central Time, you're able to call in and talk to someone from NBKC. It's also important to note with NBKC or with any financial institution that you're interacting with, how they make money. So unlike a lot of banks that rely heavily on fees to their customers, NBKC doesn't really rely on customer fees. Instead, they're going to be earning revenue through a variety of different sources that are all going to be very standard for banks. These are going to be things like earning interest on your deposits, you're making loans, through debit card transaction fees. Pretty standard here, and there aren't really any hidden fees that you're going to have to watch out for with NBKC. So with that out of the way, who is NBKC for? Who's going to get the most value out of a business checking account here? Well, they're great for small businesses and freelancers who want a low-cost online banking solution. They're great for businesses that don't need frequent in-person banking services, again, because they don't really have those branches. If you're a business using QuickBooks or Gusto, since NBKC has that very easy integration with those tools, and they're not going to be ideal for businesses that handle a lot of cash deposits or those that are, wanting to have that in-person relationship with a bank. Now, above and beyond that business checking account, NBKC also offers business lending, which is a service that, if you're just starting out a new business, could be pretty enticing for you. And so they've got a variety of lending options designed to help businesses grow and manage their cash flow. These are going to include business lines of credit, which are going to provide you with flexible access to funds when needed, helping with short-term cash flow or unexpected expenses. Equipment loans, providing financing for equipment purchases, allowing businesses to spread out their costs over time. Commercial loans for businesses looking to expand, renovate, or acquire property. Real estate and construction loans, which are tailored for businesses involved in real estate development or construction projects. And lastly, SBA loans, which are backed by the Small Business Administration and offer favorable terms for small businesses looking for long-term financing or access to working capital. These loans are going to have pretty fast approval as far as small business loans go, typically in as little as 5 days for loans between $25,000 and $75,000. Typically, small business loans with NBKC are going to start at about 5.95%. But for their SBA loans, equipment loans, commercial and real estate loans, those rates are going to vary depending on borrower qualifications and whether the loan is securitized or not. But what do their users actually think about them? Well, NBKC has an impressive 4.9 out of 5 stars from over 800 reviews, making it one of the top rated business banks on the market. Typically, when people go to review their financial institutions, they're not very happy, and so a lot of other small business banks do not come anywhere near these kind of rankings. Some of the positive reviews of NBKC are going to be praising their excellent customer service, competitive rates, especially when it comes to loans and mortgages. And on the negative side, some of those reviews are going to mention slower customer support, though NBKC is pretty quick to respond to and resolve to these issues publicly. So if you're a small business owner looking for an affordable digital-first banking solution that has no fees, is really easy to set up, and can really streamline your business finances, NBKC could be a really solid option for you. If you do want to check it out, I've got a link in the description below, which will help to support the channel. Comment below with any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.